Hi everyone, this is Carolyn from Known as Nutty Crafts and
Cassidy.
Cassidy. And today we're going to make a body scrub. So we've already made one, which Cassidy is still mixing. You got to show him a little bit more. There we go. She's still mixing. So I didn't have the same container, so I'm going to make one, just a regular container. I got a measuring spoon for the sugar. I'm not going to do any exact measurements because it's based on your size of your container. So this is raw sugar, just granulated sugar. We have coconut oil. You can find in your baking section. And we have olive oil. You can use any brand, it's up to you. We got some pure honey, again, any brand. We're going to make a color, hopefully purple, with that. And we're going to use a body wash. I'm going to try this one and see how that works with it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do with this is put sugar in our cup. So we're just going to pour this in.
Probably to like quarter the highest line.
Probably that's all the sugar that's left. And what do we do next? Is it coconut oil?
Honey.
Oh, honey was next? Okay. So we're just going to put some honey in there. Is that enough honey, you think?
Mm-hmm. Good.
This is an experiment.
I think
that's as much honey.
I think the more honey is, the more firming scrub it makes. I don't know.
Put coconut oil. The coconut oil is going to kind of coat, right?
Yeah, like make a layer.
Like make a layer. Good. I don't know if you could see. You could see the layer. It's not even. Then we're going to put some vegetable oil in there. Oops. Just a little bit of oil. That's good. Now we're going to see what color we make.
Body wash.
Oh, body wash. You're right.
That should be enough.
That should be enough? Okay.
Depends on how strong you want the scent.
Oh, that smells good.
Is depending on how much body wash.
That I'm using, it's this cucumber and green tea. She used one that had vanilla cashmere.
I used the EOS vanilla cashmere body wash.
All right. So then we'll just do one drop.
One drop of each.
Did we even use that yet? No. Oh, silly us. Take the cap off. Whatever they call that thing. Okay.
Oh, I got a bit of sugar left.
We're going to try one drop. Oh, I did two. Do one of blue.
You don't need too much food coloring because I did one drop of blue and one drop of green, and that's how my color isn't light, how I expected it to be. And also, don't use too much because it might dye your skin.
Ooh, this is coming out. I love purple, you guys. This is like perfect. But the big thing is to making sure you get all that sugar. You see all that sugar down there on the bottom?
Yours is a circle. Yours isn't as hard.
If you use the square one like she has,
the tree hut.
It's hard to get it in the corners.
You just got to shove the spoon down.
So you just mix it around. So you get it all mixed in. And then you have your scrub.
Oh, I thought I bent the spoon on accident, but I didn't. Oh, I can smell your cucumber.
You smell it.
I'm going to make mine a bit stronger.
Oh.
So,
You've got to bring it closer if you want them to see, because they can't see your... I think I got it all mixed. Nope. There's still some sugar on the bottom there.
So, the tree hut that I use has like a glitter in it.
She's talking about the container. She already had used the container. She had bought something with it in there. So that's where she got her container from.
But it had glitter in it, like body glitter. And I have some of my own body glitter, so I might put some in.
Oh, you'd be all glitterified. So that's what it's going to come out, just like that.
Yeah, yours is probably more smoother because you added more body wash.
Yeah.
It hurts my hand. Pinky.
You want me to mix yours?
No.
Okay.
I got it.
Yours is good too.
Mine's still not what. Mine's now it's getting smoother.
You hear the sand on the bottom.
Sand.
The sand, the sugar. I want to make sure I get it off.
Ooh.
So I get to test it out tonight. The biggest thing too, the sugar has lumps in it, so you don't want to have the lumps in it. So that's something you may want to, when you mix it.
Like, grab a lid that matches the bowl and then shake it before you put all the other
Oh
stuff.
yeah, you could do that as well. Trying to get as much off my spoon. This is valuable stuff, you know.
Just use this. Do this.
I could, but I didn't want to get my finger on it.
It feels nice, doesn't it? It exfoliates your skin.
It does exfoliate. Do you need a napkin?
No, I'm gonna wash my hands. Ooh, that feels nice.
All right, so mine is done. Is yours all done?
Yeah.
So that's it, you guys, from Nona's Nutty Crafts and Cassidy. We made this, and you can make different colors. You can mix two colors together, like do like a pink lemonade and a green lemonade, and you can separate your stuff, and then when you mix it, you get a two-tone in your container. So thank you for coming to Nona's Nutty Crafts. Bye.